Hello, it's Esther here. Welcome to Edtech Simplified, where I simplify everything technology for education. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 must-have certifications for educators. Hold on. I don't mean you need to have 3 of them, but you should have at least 1 of them. Okay, you studied education, you have a bachelor degree in education. I get it. Right, and you're thinking, why do I need these certifications? Now, the first reason why any of the certification is good for you is to boost your career. Yes. And the second reason is, if you ever thought of increasing your income or becoming a highly paid educator, then you should take any of the certifications. The first certification is Microsoft's Educator Certification. Just like the name implies, it is issued by Microsoft. We all know Microsoft. And you don't just get it out of the blues. You need to go through a process. The first thing you need to do is to actually go through a training. Yes, the training could be free. If you can learn on your own, you can, go through the training on your own. Yeah, it is free. But if you need a support system, like you need a group or peer learning and all that, then you should consider the paid training. And after going through the training, you would need to write your exam. You can only be certified if you actually pass the exam. And the exam is not free, I need to say that. And the second certification is the Google Educator Certification. That's the one I have. I am a Google certified. The Google Educator Certification is similar to Microsoft's, just that now it is issued by Google. You need to go through a training and then you write the exam. After you've passed the exam, you would be issued a Google Educator Certification. I am Google certified. You should be Google certified too. This is not an advert. The third certification is more specific to people in my line of business, and that is language education. If you teach English or English really, then you should consider TEFL, not TOEFL, TEFL, TEFL, as in Teaching English as Foreign Language Certification. And you are thinking, well, why is this important? This is important because after having the certification, you are able to teach English borderlessly. It means that you could be in Nigeria and be teaching English in the US, virtually of course, and you could be anywhere in the world and be recognized as an English teacher across borders. So if you're an English teacher and you're definitely thinking of building a career in teaching English as a second language or a foreign language, then you should definitely jump on this certification. Again, the first certification is Microsoft's Educator Certification. The second is Google Educator Certification, and the third is the TEFL, Teaching English as Foreign Language Certification. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when helpful videos like this drop.